Hi everyone, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Soltech Aspect light along with the Pinocchio wooden wall mount. I am super excited about this light. It's definitely very quickly become my favorite grow light that is in my apartment. I'll show you a tour of some of the other ones that we have that are really just bulbs and fixtures that we've bought. But with that all being said, let's get into it. Recently, I've gotten into the hobby of keeping houseplants. I previously lived in an apartment with large west-facing windows, so my plants were receiving a lot of light. All 7 of them. But then we moved to our new apartment with north-facing windows that receive a lot less light. Most of our apartment's actually pretty dark. This led to the need of purchasing grow lights, as most of our plants require mid to bright indirect lighting, and we really have only one room in our house that our plants can be in to receive that sufficient lighting. The other one would be our bedroom, but we have a cat, and the cat really likes to eat plants, so that's a no-go. With that, and with needing the grow lights, there was another problem that presented itself, and that problem is that my girlfriend really doesn't mess around when it comes to decorating. She does a really fantastic job of keeping our apartment looking pristine, #Go Sydney or Rockstar. But that means that we need grow lights that fit the aesthetic that we're going for. I also didn't want to put a grow light in my office that would make all of my other RGB lighting, #gaming is life, look like shit. So here we are. I'd gone on the internet, searched modern grow lights, and stumbled upon Soltech. Now, before making the purchase, because it is minimum $150 purchase, if not $200 purchase, which the one I ended up purchasing was $200, I thought about it for a couple of weeks, and I eventually came to a point where I was like, okay, these are getting enough great reviews online. I'm going to take the leap. I think it looks nice. I see my Monstera being a little droopier than I'd like. Let's just take a chance and get it. That brings us to this unboxing video. Now, the job that they do when shipping this is actually really impressive. I received my package within a few days of ordering it, which, having moved to Santa Fe from Denver, is actually really impressive because Amazon doesn't come here for like a week if I order things. So it came faster than most of my Amazon orders do, and the box was in so much better shape. Along with that, there was sufficient packaging and cushioning within the box that I felt comfortable that nothing was going to be broken, and nothing was broken. So I had a great experience with that as well. From the unboxing and my intro, you'll have noticed that I got the Pinocchio fixture along with the light itself. Now, I like the aesthetic of this wall mount, but honestly, it was kind of a pain to set up. It's super, super simple. I mean, the parts don't necessarily feel premium, and that's okay. I wasn't expecting them to feel insanely good, but there was some difficulty getting, I accidentally put the dowel in the wrong spot, and getting that out was a pain in the ass. You'll see me hammering the side of it because I had to put a nail in there to get it out, and that really surprised me because it is so simple. I also haven't decided if I'm going to keep the Pinocchio wall mount up on my wall. Not because I think it's ugly or anything. I actually think it looks really good. My biggest qualm with it is that it doesn't really come very far off the wall. So if I want to get a better angle on my plants, I'm going to have to probably move the light up to the ceiling. And when I move that light up to the ceiling, it'll provide more of a direct light to more of my plants, as opposed to lighting the wall very well. With all that said, let's go ahead and show the final result. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that this helped you make a decision of whether or not you want to purchase the Aspect Grow Light by Soltech Solutions. If you wouldn't mind leaving me some feedback so that I can continue making high quality content for you all, I would greatly appreciate that. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.